Samsung has struck gold with the Galaxy A57 5G. This phone comes as a really well-balanced package with great performance and a camera that blows almost every other mid-range phone. The Samsung Next Galaxy A57 5G is one of the best mid-range phones we've looked at and has the best camera phone you can find in the mid-range segment with its impressive camera sensor. Featuring a 50MP wide, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The Galaxy S25 sports a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with support for HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, offer a 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy A57 sports the new Snapdragon for Galaxy phones, have 12GB of RAM, run Android 16. The Samsung Galaxy A57 has a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 45W fast wired. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.